Yo, what's up fam? If you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that I use a drone. Drones are fun, they give you awesome footage, especially on all of our different travels that we do. Drone footage is super cool. However, I want to tell you about the first time that I crashed my drone. And thankfully it was the only time. So I was out about, actually around Delaware, just testing out the drone, trying to capture some cool footage of the Olentangy River. It was a bit of a windy day. So I started off by just trying out the drone in the wind because I wasn't super experienced at that point. And I went out onto the Olentangy with the drone, and there were some big gusts of wind that slowly pushed the drone to one direction. And I got a little nervous, so I stopped. I just let it hover there for a bit, but the wind kept pushing it. So I was like, yo, what am I gonna do? I tried to pull it quickly away from some oncoming trees. Granted, wasn't moving very fast. I think I just got nervous, and then I tried to do that, but it kept going toward the trees and ended up hitting a branch, and I was like, no, my drone cannot go in the water. So I decided, all right, now that I'm kind of spinning out of control, I gotta just shove it toward the shore where there was a bunch of trees. So I just shoved it, thankfully, far enough onto the side of the river, the little berm that was there, and did an emergency crash landing. We landed in some trees. I had to hike around and go into some poison ivy to get the drone out, but we got it out. We're safe, and yeah, what an experience. Hopefully don't have to have that happen again. Thankfully, I've been good. No crashes so far, but yeah, I just wanted to know and to share the story and show you some footage of me crashing my drone. Hope you enjoy. I will see you in the next video. Peace.